Governor Calvo's transition team came out with a pegged $96 million shortfall, now said to be closer to $126 million. Senator Ben Pangelinan took issue with the figure, claiming the administration was making the financial picture gloomier than it actually is. The Ways and Means Committee chair has also taken issue with another figure released by the Calvo administration.
The governor just throwing that number out I thought was a little bit reckless. And, we're trying to express our desire that we deal with the same individuals. We should be coming up with the same numbers. And so the governor needs to account for the discrepancy.
In his address yesterday, Governor Eddie Calvo pinpointed the figure of tax return payments the government owed at $286 million. But Pangelinan says the figure he received from the Department of Revenue and Taxation was nearly $80 million less, at $209 million. So who was right? Well, in a sense, according to Rev and Tax Acting Director John Camacho, they both are. Camacho says the 209 figure Pangelinan is referring to is correct as of September of 2010. He says when he cited the figure to the senator during a fiscal information hearing last week, it did not include $61 million in work pay liability, $17 million in tax credits paid since September, or $3.2 million in earned income tax credits that have also not yet been paid out. Adding in those figures, the number comes closer to $287 million, as cited by Governor Calvo.
Generally, it should be within the same figure. With what if you were to add those that work to pay credit of $61 million and add back what was paid, and then you add the remaining EATC, it should be about the same amount.
And coming up with the same numbers are crucial, Pangelinan says, in order to plan ahead and account for government spending.
If we all start from different set and different points, we will always land up in different places. And the only place we want to go, of course, is economic stability, economic growth, and have an accounting of the people's money that we spend to run our government.
In this, Camacho and Pangelinan agree.
Addressing the liability of the government is very important. So when we say 287 and somebody, when I said 209, there's a difference. But I did, in the information hearing, I did specify that didn't include the work to pay credit.
In addition, Camacho says that he supports measures such as Bill number 3 introduced by Senator B.J. Cruz that would form a joint committee to address fiscal policies and the GovGuam shortfall. In turn, Senator Pangelinan says he's working with the administration to reconcile the figures, and Camacho assures us the cooperation is there on his end.
We want to work together with Senator Ben to address all these issues of any